Alright, so question 5, we need to solve the system of linear equations by the elimination method. So what we want to do is we want to say, okay, do I have equal and opposite coefficients? Okay, so we need equal and opposite coefficients. And remember, that's the number in front of the x. If you want to add this to your notes. And so if I look at the 2y and the y right here, I already have one plus and one minus. I just need the coefficients to be the same. So if I have a 2, I'm going to also need a negative 2. So I could multiply this equation by a 2, which would then give me 2x minus 2y equals 26. And then I still have the first equation. I have the 4x plus 2y equals 10. And then if I line these up like an addition problem, okay, I can see that my positive 2y and my negative 2y are going to eliminate. And then I can add 4x and 2x to get 6x. And then 26 plus 10 to get 36. And now I just have to go ahead and get x by itself. So x is being multiplied by 6, so I need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And then I get x is equal to 6. And then once I know my x, I need to solve for y. And I can solve for y using substitution. Alright, so I can pick either equation. I'll pick the second one. So I'm going to get x, which is equal to 6, minus y equals 13. So I need to go ahead and solve for y. So I'm going to minus 6 on both sides. Okay, and then the negative y is going to come on down. So I'll get negative y is equal to 13 minus 6 is 7. And then I should change the sign. So instead of negative y, now I'm going to have y, and instead of 7, I'll have negative 7. So if you guys see, I just multiplied this equation by negative 1 to change the sign. And then once I know my x and my y, I can put it together as an ordered pair. So I'm going to get, okay, it's not going to be that one though. It's going to be this one. Yeah. So my x value is 6 and my y value is negative 7. All right, I'm going to do the same thing for the UDO number 5, but I'd like you guys to try it on your own. All right, so for number 6, let's go ahead and add the polynomials. So the first thing we need to do is combine like terms. Remember, like terms have the same variable with the same exponent. So I know that negative 4x to the third and negative 11x to the third are like terms. And negative 11 plus negative 4 is going to be negative 15x to the third. And then I need to look for any more like terms. So I have 7x minus 10x. 7 minus 10, that's going to become negative 3x. And then I have negative 4 and positive 9. 9 minus 4 is going to be 5. So I know my answer is going to be A. Alright, for 7, we do the same thing. I'd like you guys to try that on your own if you weren't able to come to class today and show me your answer. Alright, let's go ahead and look at number 8. It says subtract the polynomials. So when we subtract the polynomials, we need to distribute the negative sign. So now this is going to be negative 3x to the 8th. It's going to be negative 2x to the 3rd. And then positive 7. Okay, so we have negative 3x to the 8th. We have negative 2x to the 3rd. And then positive 7. And now I can go ahead and I can start combining like terms. So first I need to look for my highest term. That's going to be 7x to the 9th, which I see here. So I have 7x to the 9th. And then I have 4x to the 3rd with the negative 2x, with the negative 2x to the 3rd. So I can combine these two. They're like terms. So 4 minus 2, that's going to become negative 2x to the 3rd. And then don't forget about this negative 3x to the 8th. So since this is the next exponent in descending order, we have 9 and then 8. This one's going to come first to get negative 3x to the 8th. And then finally, I have that plus 7. So that's going to be my answer when I subtract the polynomials and I distribute the negative and then combine like terms. All right, I'd like you guys to go ahead and do number 9. All right, let's go ahead and look at number 10. So for number 10, I need to multiply 4x times this trinomial 5x to the 3rd minus 7x plus 9. So when I do that, I need to add the exponents but multiply the coefficients. So 4 times 5, that's going to be 20. And I need to add the exponents, so 3 plus 1, that's going to become 4. And so I've multiplied this term by the first term. Now I need to multiply it by the second term. So 4x to the first times negative 7x. 4 times negative 7 is going to become negative 28. And then I add the exponents, so 1 plus 1 makes 2. And then finally, I'm going to do that to the last term. 9 times 4 becomes 36. And I still have the x. So my answer is going to be C. All right, I'd like you guys to go ahead and do number 11. Make sure you show me your answer if you weren't able to come to class today.